Hi. In this video tutorial, we will cover all the features and services of the AWC eLibrary so you can take maximum benefit of the platform. The eLibrary platform sits at awc.refreed.com. To access the eLibrary collections and all its features, you must first log in into the platform. In case you do not have your account registered on the platform, please contact the library. You can log in with the registered email address and password. Once you are registered and successfully logged in, you can see your past readings, e-resources recommended by the library, news headlines and the most read e-resources in the trending section on the homepage. You can browse the library collections by categories or subjects here. Click on any of these subjects to list the resources for that particular subject area or category. You can also browse content by publisher. These include all the e-journals, e-book collections, databases and content platforms licensed or subscribed by the AWC library. So, if I click on this link here, the platform will load all the subscribed Sage e-journals. All you need to do is click on the Read button here for any e-journal you wish to read. You will be navigated on the publisher's platform where you can access the full text of any article. You do not need to perform any parallel authentication on the publisher platform. You can read full text in HTML or download the PDF from anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Let's repeat the process again, at this time to access the CIPRI yearbooks. Just click on the Read button and you will be able to access the full text of all the CIPRI yearbooks archives. The platform also features thousands of open access e-resources curated from green and gold standard open access platforms and repositories. These include e-books, e-journals, theses, video lectures, and more. You can also browse e-resources by type of media. Click on the videos link here for thousands of open access lectures and expert talks from renowned universities, publishers, and think tanks. We have also curated more than 180,000 lectures, reports, and security briefs from renowned Indian and international think tanks. You can catch news headlines from more than 50 news portals and for various topics. These headlines are updated on a daily basis, and what's great is that you can set up news alerts on any topic or publication of your interest, and the platform will start sending news alerts directly to your registered email address. Now let's see how you can search for e-resources on the platform. We are going to try a simple search by keyword here. The platform first shows the publications matching my search query. I can drill down the search results by year, accessibility, media, author or publisher. In the tab for print collections, you can find all the print resources available in the library matching your search query. Since these are print resources, you cannot read them online, but you can check their availability in the library. If you switch over to the Articles tab, the platform will broadcast your search to all the subscribed journals and databases. Click on this button here once the metasearch finishes to load all the results, and click on the Read button to access the full text of the article. Officers can use this meta search to find latest and most relevant scholarly papers and save a lot of time and effort. You can also limit your search to a particular media type and use Boolean operators or double quotes for phrase search in the basic search bar. For example, here I am searching for only ebooks on cybersecurity using the AND operator. Every search result includes options for users to personalize their reading experience. For example, you can save a resource for future reference using this Add to Reading List button. Create as many folders as you want and tag as many resources to those folders as you need. You will find all your folders and saved documents in your reading list here. You can select the saved documents and send their links to peers. However, the recipient must be an authorized user of AWC to access the full text via those shared links. You can also export the references of saved documents in more than 1000 citation styles. Just search for the citation style, for example APA 6th edition, and the platform will create the references for you. All the e-collections, services and features we demonstrated in this video are available not just through the web platform, but also through the AWC eLibrary mobile apps available on iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. We request you to explore the eLibrary platform and help us spread the word in the campus. Please do share your feedback and suggestions to take this initiative further. Happy reading!